What's going on, Last American Kangaroo fans? I'm going to call you guys now the LAK. And today, we are doing our first fishing trip of 2025. And hopefully we'll get something big.
Oh,
holy fuck! That was a fish! Get the shiner! Get a shiner! Let's go! Let's go!
No, worm.
Why worm? Why the fuck would you put a worm there? You motherfucker! You are so fucking stupid! It is fucking insane how fucking stupid you fucking are! You piece of fucking shit!
Hey, that's not Aussie mentality. Be like your dad's favorite F1 driver. You literally could not give a shit.
What the fuck was that?
Yeah, what was that? Why was it shitting right?
That was massive!
Why weren't you... You know what else is massive?
Shut up, bro.
I know that's old, but I mean, I gotta fucking say it. What was that?
I don't know. Probably a bass, maybe.
Why was he up top?
I don't know. Maybe a big pick. That might have been a massive pickerel or massive. Or, what is it? You heard this?
One of the suggestions is you spin me right round.
That's also not Australian.
Yeah, but it sounds Australian.
You know there's an Australian song? Staying Alive. Bee Gees.
I'm not using staying alive. Wait.
Oh! Fish! Got him! Fish on! Get the net, you dumb shit!
Get him over here!
Oh my god! What a chunky
fucking monster! Monster perch.
Woo!
Oh, he's wrapped.
And I got it on GoPro too.
So let's help him out.
Wait, am I recording? Please tell me I'm recording, please.
You're recording, yeah?
Woo! Woo!
We're helping him. We're taking the shit off him.
Move. Let go of him.
Yeah, take the line off him though.
I will. So let him rebreathe a little bit. I think he got hooked it though, so I don't think to sit. Oh my god.
Oh, is that your line? Why did you have so much extra?
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Well, I don't have like a float on there or anything, so it's just a hook and a line.
Oh shit, you got him fucked.
Shit. We won't have to eat this guy.
Huh? You can eat him, I'm not eating that shit. Probably has like parasites and a half from here. This'll do anything.
I'm just gonna cut the line, bro.
Hey, we caught something.
Yeah, we did. Oh, fuck.
There was something at least.
Yeah. Dude, this up. Dude, I'm trying to help you. I just cut the line.
Did you gut him? Don't use the scissors, you fucking dumbass.
I need pliers.
We have pliers.
Bro, use my pliers. My pliers are smaller, better. See.
Okay. Get the hook out of his throat. I got the hook. You got the hook?
I got the hook in the grip with pliers. I just have to...
Twisty. Boy, should we get a... Is this your first fish at 2025?
It is my first fish of 25.
You gotta get a fucking hook. Where's your phone?
Got it out. There we go. Got it out.
Okay.
Bang.
Get him in the mouth and I'll grab your phone. Boy. Numero uno. Chunky boy. Okay, you're good.
That took less than 30 seconds.
Record it. We gotta record the video.
Hey boys, nice. First fish 2025 is a nice perch. Real nice perch.
Wait, go again. 3, 2. Oh, you're already recording. Oh.
I am. All right, get the release though. All right, so we're gonna be.
Absolutely hard.
Hopefully it swims us.
Oh, you might want to watch.
There he goes. Woo!
Watch it.
Oh yes sir. Fish on, fish on, fish on.
Is that a trout?
Nope. He's off.
I was getting the net.
Yeah, obviously not quick enough.
Just hold them off. Oh, you still got your bait though.
Yeah.
Put back.
Dude, you actually have to get the net faster, bro. You were actually.
Stream it though. It moves and it's twitching. Your rod's twitching.
Oh, it's my fish?
No. There's something on that. Go, reel it in now.
My rod?
Reel it.
There's nothing on it.
There is something on that fucking rod, buddy. Oh no, that's the picture.
Yo, that's a fish.
Yeah, I fucking told you, bitch. That thing just got abducted. What the fuck?
Wait, is that your shiner?
No, that was not my shiner. My shiner's here. Whatever the fuck took that fucking pickerel. It's huge.
It's a huge pickerel.
That was a huge ass, not pickerel. What? I don't know.
Perch?
It was just sitting up top of the fucking roof. I told you.
Is that my fish? Was it my? Oh, fish! So get ready, get ready.
Where's it going?
I'll be right back.
Thank you guys for watching that video. I hope you guys did enjoy that comedic video. And that was my first fish of 2025. Now let's keep the train rolling. Let's keep everything going. It's a great day today. I'll see you guys in the next adventure.